Boom! And we are live.
Oh,
Hey Bill, how's it going?
I'm doing pretty good.
Do you have a second to talk real quick?
Yeah, I'm just redoing my resume because I got to send it out for my job. What's up?
Okay. So I did talk to my partners, like last the financial team, and they came back at 260, 262.5, and we could close before the 25th or on that day, and we still cover all closing costs and as is, if that number would work for you.
Like I said, I got an offer for 270. Let me see how fast I don't want to decline. I don't want to decline your offer. Give me a couple of days.
Give you a couple days. Okay. Well.
Yeah, because I got a 270 offer. I just got to see how legit it is.
The 270.
Yeah.
The only thing is, I'm going back and because basically I have partners with them, so I'm trying to fight and get you a number. So like I'm the middleman right now. I'm trying to get you the number that could work out for both of us because we do want to pick this up.
That's what I tried to put it to where we could be. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Remember I said like I'll pick up around 250 or 270 ish.
Yeah.
That's the problem. How about let me give you a call within like.
How about this? We meet at 270 and call it good.
270.
Yeah.
I'm gonna have to call the private money lender and financial team. Let me give them a call, and I'll give you a call right back.
All right, buddy.
All right, thank you.
Yeah.
Good call, Omar. Good call. Good call. Make sure to just keep your eyes in the chat because we could kind of just see what we can get out of this guy. So if like that, he's like a few days and stuff. We don't want to give him too much time to let someone else slip in. I mean, we can give him the 270.
I think we should
70. So I would call him back. Yeah, I would call him back, and so we shaved off another 5,000 just like that. So I would ask him, look, if we can get you the 270 and get you an agreement sent out, can we get rolling today?
Yeah,
We are looking at other properties in the area, so we have to allocate these funds to something. Between today and tomorrow, these funds need to be, they need to be what do you say, assigned, so to speak. We need to assign these funds to a project. So yours is perfect for us. If we can give you the 270 that you're asking for, because that's what he asked for, can we get rolling today? Right. And then from there, we'll get the agreement sent out, or get Mike to draft up the agreement for us. We'll get that sent over to him, and we'll begin the marketing process.
Yeah. Or with that, honestly, from just hearing them, it sounded like, you know what I mean? Like if you got to offer a 270, why would you say, oh, to see if it's legit? You know what I'm saying? Like that kind of threw me off a little bit because it's like, all right, you got a legit offer, so why you just don't take 270 if I'm offering you 20K less? You're still considering. You said what?
They put in the mailbox. I'm the only one that went to go see the property so far.
Right. Exactly.
Okay, so you already got an advantage because you met with them.
Right. So you're already legit on the deal. So it's like, I mean, I could bump. Honestly, I'll probably even meet him in the middle. Like, I mean, unless it's worth that 270 to move, like just to get that 10K, I'll be like, look, I spoke to him. We can meet in the middle at 260. But we have to get it rolling today because we are looking at other properties. But yours is at the top of the list, and just see what he says from there because, you know what I'm saying? Like I said, it seems like he has that offer, but you haven't spoke to nobody. Anybody can send you a fucking email or a letter.
I think he has a bottom price in his mind without talking to his wife. And I think that's the bottom dollar they'll take.
This is the 270?
Yeah, because he didn't say I'll call my wife or something. He said a couple of days. I don't want to wait that long.
Right. Exactly.
Should be going in a couple of days.
You're right. Because all they got to do is just pick up the phone and call them and be like, hey, look, we got 270 signing right now, da da da. You know what I mean? So I mean, shit. If you think that too, if it'll move for 270, I'll say fuck it. Go ahead, lock it up 270.
Yeah, no, I will call him kind of like, hey, what's the best email? You know what I mean? Like we can go ahead and honor your ask of 270, but we gotta get rolling today on this.
Right. Yeah. Because if we're gonna give you your number, you gotta at least give us, our
time.
Right. Exactly. You gotta lock it up now. Like you know, you got to sign on the dotted line type shit if you want that 270.
I'm calling it back.
All right, bet.
Boom.
Hey, Bill.
What up?
So if we could get you at 270, could we do that today?
You know what? 270.
Mhm.
Now, when we do it today, I can still live here till the end of the month.
Yeah, of course.
Right?
Yeah, that's not a problem.
270. You want to do it today? You got to do
What's your email address?
BillyBianco@yahoo.com.
Hold on. Spell it out for me. I just want to make sure I get it right.
BILLY.
Okay.
B as in boy, E as in Edward, ALKO.
ALKO at yahoo.com.
Yep.
And then
Give me a bit. Send one to my wife as well at CBLCO.
C
You have it in a note in your phone
CBLCO
at yahoo.com.
at yahoo.com. I'm gonna have to send it to both of you guys at the same time. So it's just gonna I'm gonna have my TC write up about like an hour or two, and I'll give you a text when it's in your email. And then if you have any questions about it, just give me a call back. But I'm gonna put this in and I'm gonna send this over to title, and mostly I'm gonna see if they open today. If not, then I'll start the process on Wednesday, since tomorrow's 4th of July.
Yep.
Okay, I'm gonna send this over to you, and then just give me I'll give you a text once I send it, and then if you have any questions, give me a call back.
All right, buddy.
Hold on, just before I get off the phone. So Billy Balco at yahoo.com, right? If I'm saying that right?
Right.
And then
Yep.
CEB Balco at yahoo.com as well.
It's CBLCO, so CBEALKO at Yahoo.
Okay, awesome. And then it's you and your wife on the title, right?
Yes.
Call it. Okay, got you. All right, I'll let you know when that's in your email.
All right, buddy.
All right, thank you.
Yep.
Let's go.
Oh shit, he locked them up live.
He locked him up live. That's what I'm talking about, Omar.
Mhm.
Yeah,
Omar the GOAT.
he was pretty cool.